Buckle up, because belts just got better. With core essentials, the perfect fit every time. With 40+ sizing positions, styles for any situation. Whether in the boardroom crushing sales and taking names, on your next adventure, in the great outdoors, or when you're done for the day and ready to relax. Get your perfect fit with core essentials.
I would like to proudly present to you the best belt you have ever seen. Marino have designed a beautiful leather belt with precision adjustments for a perfect fit every time, all the time. Sleek and modern buckles, over 8 years of innovation. Striving to deliver the ultimate belt for men. Over 200 styles to choose from. All packaged in an elegant gift box.